Hi, and welcome to Crypto Cash Army. I'm Captain Crypto. It's been a bloody couple of days for Harmony One. Some damage has been done. So what's next? Will Harmony continue to fall? Is it starting to recover? What's going on? That's what we're going to attempt to find out in the Harmony One price update for May 18th, 2021. Before we go any further, I'd like to take a few seconds to say thank you to everyone that is supporting the channel. If you're not already a subscriber, please do subscribe and smash that like button. Again, thank you so much for being here. Let's get into the video. Hi, and welcome back. Like I mentioned in the intro, we're going to try to determine how much damage has actually been done to Harmony One and whether we can recover over the next few days or not. But before we do that, I need to show you the obligatory 5-second disclaimer. Hi, and we're back. As you can see, I have the Fear and Greed Index up on my screen. According to it, there is extreme fear in the market. People are scared. People are not sure what's going to happen. But fortunately, for Harmony One holders like you and I, and holders of other good altcoins, all this fear seems to be directed at Bitcoin. Now we're going to be looking at the Harmony One price action and how it's been doing since this massive dump that Elon Musk caused a couple of days ago. But before we do that, we're going to look at a little market sentiment. So we've already covered fear and greed. Overall, the market is very fearful. Now, if we look at the blockchaincenter.net altcoin season index score, it's currently at 98, which means that a vast majority of altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin over the last 90 days. And if you can see, these are all altcoins, and then Bitcoin is way back here. So that's a good thing for us Harmonauts. Now, overall, the market cap is sitting at just over $2 trillion. So that's down about $400 billion from just a couple of days ago. 24-hour volume for the entire market is about $194 billion, and Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 39.7. I do believe that's as low as we've seen it so far this year, and it is going to go down further, so be prepared for that. If we look at the nomics.com site, we can see that Harmony is currently trading at just over 17 cents. And since the start of the trading day, although the market doesn't close, it always resets at 12 o'clock UTC. Since that time, Harmony is up 17.4%. Harmony's current market cap is at $1.62 billion, and trading volume is actually down for the day at $340 million. Currently, Harmony is ranked number 78 on the nomics.com top 100 cryptocurrencies list, which is considerably higher than it's been just a few days ago when it was sitting right at 100 to 102. Now let's go ahead and look at the charts. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. And if you look over here, you'll see that before Elon Musk crashed the market, Harmony One was already breaking out. And it was breaking out right when I kind of predicted. I predicted that I thought the breakout for Harmony One would start about May 16th, and it's actually started like half a day early. But I got lucky, I guess. But anyway, during that breakout, it went up about 54%. And then after Elon Musk started running his mouth or tweeting or whatever you call it, Harmony One went down about 30%. And it was struggling along with everything else. If we look over in my watch list, it's a great day for me. These are pretty much all the coins I own. Not quite all of them, but most. And almost everything is green, so I'm very happy today. Yesterday, I was extremely sad. Everything was red. I mean, everything. But over the last 12 or 13 hours, we've actually went up as high as 17.783 cents, which would be a gain of about 33%. Now, currently, over the last 24 hours, not the start of the day, but a rolling 24-hour period, we're up about 25%. So we're doing quite well. We went down as low as 13.4 cents, which is about where we opened thereabout, and we've been as high as 17.783 cents. Of course, the all-time high for Harmony is 22.403 cents. Now, volume today in actual Harmony One tokens that have been traded back and forth, bought and sold, we're already at 826 million. The average volume is 852 million. Now, we're about 10 hours from when the trading clock will reset. So we're just a little bit over halfway through the day, and we're almost at the average volume already. I foresee Harmony doing well over 1.2, 1.3 billion. And it's been doing that the last couple of days. Even when Harmony One was crashing, the volume was still really high. That was Harmony trying to recover. And that's why it didn't fall quite as much as some of the other altcoins that, dumped 40, 50, 60%. But as you can see, we've got some nice green candles going on. And even though we fell below that magic 0.618 level on our Fibonacci, we have been able to break back up through it and make a strong close above the 0.702. Now we're trying to attack the 0.786. And if we could close the day above this 0.786, and I'm not sure that we can, but if we could, that would be a seriously bullish signal. If we look at the MACD on the 4-hour is still very healthy, and we're not yet overbought. We've still got plenty of room. If we look at the daily chart, you can see that we've still got all kinds of room here. And as you may or may not know, Harmony One does quite well when it's overbought. In this period here, where we went up this staggering like 3,000% in like 3 weeks, Harmony One was literally oversold the entire time. And it was running as high as 88, 90, 92 on the RSI. So on the daily chart, Harmony has no problem being oversold. And as you can see, our MACD and our RSI on the daily are still looking very, very healthy. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. Here, we're also looking good. 63 on the RSI, still plenty of room to go. MACD is looking healthy. And as you can see, we've had a beautiful 45-degree rise, which is exactly what you want. You don't want to see anything going straight up or going up at too steep of an angle. Because when you have corrections, that's when you have massive corrections from those type of run-ups. But for right now, we're looking really good. We just have a few red blips in between. We may or may not close with a red candle on our current 1-hour period. That's okay. Every few hours, Harmony has to take a break too. Let's go back to our 4-hour chart. Overall, our volumes are looking pretty good, although they are starting to decrease some. Now, this past hour, the period we're in now, we did have some fairly significant sell-offs for profit takers. And during the time I've been recording this video, Harmony is down a little bit at 16.5 cents. If the volume continues to be strong during the next few hours, we should be able to close above 17 cents, I do believe. But it's possible that we won't, of course. But I do believe we can close above 17 cents in the next 10 hours or so. And I do strongly believe that Harmony One has decoupled from Bitcoin, at least for the time being. As you can see, Bitcoin is still struggling. It's just barely over even. And a lot of other altcoins, except Matic's on fire, they're up, but they're not up nearly as much as Harmony One. They're between like 2 and 7 or 8%. So they're doing okay, but Harmony One is on fire. I do see Harmony One, like I said, closing above 20 cents in the next few days. And if we get some really strong buying volume, that could be as soon as today or tomorrow. So in the short term, I am very bullish for Harmony One. I don't really see any buy-in points right now for people that are looking for serious bargains. If Harmony One did happen to fall below 16 cents, that would be a great opportunity to buy, or you could just buy now. I think either way, you're going to make money. But like I said, in the short term, we'll close above 17, maybe 18 cents in the next 10 to 24 hours. And in the next 3 days, I do predict it will be over 20 cents and perhaps and probably higher than our all-time high of about 22.4 cents. But I think that's all I've got for right now. If you found something informative, interesting, entertaining, enjoyable in this video, please do like, please do subscribe, and please share. But until next time, this is Captain Crypto signing out. Please stay blessed. Please take care. Bye-bye.